Since opening in 2010, the Maternity Center at Methodist West Hospital has become a popular delivery location for expectant parents. Last year, the Iowa Clinic obstetricians delivered almost 600 babies at Methodist West.
I've delivered 3 babies here at Methodist West. They are now 4, 2, and almost 1. Dr. Osborne was our physician, and he practices across the street at the Iowa Clinic. And it was nice to have the hospital so close to the clinic.
Our group here at the Iowa Clinic is the only group that provides maternity services routinely at Methodist West, and we've really enjoyed our first 4 years there. It's been a great experience. Families love the location. I've heard many a grandpa and grandma comment about how easy it is to just park, take the elevator up to 5, meet their new grandbaby, and not have to negotiate a large hospital or a parking ramp.
One of the things that we really liked about coming out here to Methodist West was the feel that we got. It was always very comfortable for us, and it really felt like home. Me and my husband were able to enjoy the time with all 3 of our kids and really feel like it was our time alone, and really to bond and spend the time with each of our kids.
Once you come off the elevator, there is obviously the waiting room and the check-in area, and it's a locked unit, which means you can't get beyond that area without identifying yourself, signing in as a visitor, or being patient or patient's spouse at the facility. And then there are 3 triage rooms, which allow the nurses to determine if patients are actually in labor and whether or not they need to be admitted. And then there's 12 LDRPs, and these are the labor and delivery rooms that also serve as the recovery room and postpartum rooms. So the same room is used both leading up to labor, through the delivery process, assuming it's a vaginal delivery, and through the postpartum stay. So the mom doesn't change rooms after she has her baby. Moms are able to get pain relief. Not only can you get an epidural there when you want, but you'll probably even get it faster. And then there's 1 OR on the floor, and that's where we do our scheduled C-sections, or should someone's labor not progress normally or there's an emergency, we do the C-sections in there.
Specially trained neonatal practitioners from Blank Children's Hospital attend each delivery at Methodist West. This unique service allows the neonatal practitioner to focus only on the baby, while the physician and other staff attend to the mother. For newborns who require a little extra care, Methodist West Maternity Center has a small observation room where the neonatal practitioners can administer fluids and address any blood sugar issues.
Should there be a baby that has a really slow transition, needs some extra help, or perhaps shows up at that particular hospital and is earlier than what one would desire at that location, then they're going to get transferred downtown to Blank Children's Hospital. The paramedics transfer both mom and baby. The mom doesn't incur a charge because it's done within the same hospital system. And they load up and they go downtown, and we readmit them down there and make sure that their postpartum orders are there for them so they still get their pain medicine, and they're provided a wristband and a card so that they can get over to Blank and see their baby as soon as possible.
While I think amenities can be similar, they all have the bed, they all have the TV, they all have a place for your husband to stay. I really think where Methodist West sets apart from the downtown places is the ambiance and really the feel of what you walk into. The staff was amazing. They were very attentive, and not only attention, but personalized attention. And I think that's really what made us so happy out here, is when I needed something, they were there.
To deliver at Methodist West, the mother must be 35 weeks or more and discuss any medical issues with a physician. Talk to an OB provider at one of the Iowa Clinic's offices to see if Methodist West Maternity is an option for you.